Welcome to another episode of Crypto Minder, guys. Today we have a surprise for you. This Christmas we are gonna be giving not one but two Christmas gifts. $200 of Ethereum. This is the first award, and the second award, a ledger NANO S, where you can store your cryptos inside. The only thing you have to do is to like, subscribe, press the bell button for all the notifications, of course, and also comment down in this video, this specific video, so you can get these very nice gifts within 10 days from now. We are gonna be also explaining to you guys what is happening regarding the Bitcoin price today, what we should expect for this Christmas vacation, and of course how things will roll in case Bitcoin goes up or down. Thank you so much. Let's go directly to the chart to see what is happening right there. Don't forget, we need those three rules: the like, subscribe, and of course write your comment under this video so you can get the chance to get those two gifts. Let's go directly there to the chart to find out what Bitcoin is about to do, what is the next move, what we should expect as well. Starting from the weekly chart, as far as you can see right here, guys, we have an insane fact playing out at this moment. Many people are wondering, are we really going further to the downside, or we are gonna be pumping all the way up? So what I want to see right now is that these guys should kind of retrace. The stochastic RSI has to start retracing so we can see further price action to the upper side, because this is not something that is showing right now. What we should see is either a consolidation within the weeks, so we can start thinking that this price is going all the way up, or we should see further price action to the downside, so this can bottom technically and we can see some kind of reversal on the weekly chart. So as far as you can see, this very nice support line is holding like a hog right here. I love this fact, okay, that this is holding very nicely. But as far as you can see, the 44,000 level right here, it's something we shouldn't break and hold even a day under. This is not technical. This is technically one of the best things you should see playing out right now. This has to hold because the daily chart wouldn't look so nice in case this breaks all the way to the downside. So as far as you can see, what I wanted to mention is that we have some points here that they are showing technically that the price, okay, it's rising. Meanwhile, the downside of the RSI, okay, so this is the one level that you should watch, the approximately 34, and on the downside, this level is technically more oversold. What does it mean? So as far as you see, those levels are keep falling. Meanwhile, the price is going up, but this is not bearish divergence. This is hidden bullish divergence. So what I see right now is the fact that this could really play out very well, and it looks pretty much oversold because this price is higher than this one. Meanwhile, this down, it's lower. So this is a very nice clue, and what I have seen is with this bullish kind of divergence, the price falling to the downside, I want to see some further price action, either consolidation or to the way up. So that's what I'm watching right now on the daily chart, and of course the bullish divergence of the stochastic RSI could also lead to a very nice pump. So I would like to see a pump from Monday or Tuesday coming in, but of course guys, this doesn't mean we are coming back to the bull market. Many people are asking me, are we on a bull or are we on a bear market? We are back to the range territory, guys. This is the range territory. I'm gonna be mentioning this again, and I'm gonna be showing you exactly what I have said before. This is the range territory right here. As long as we don't break, okay, to the downside or to the upper side from here, it means that we are in a range territory. We are consolidating. This is the consolidation area for Bitcoin. So don't get stressed. Of course, guys, if we are gonna be watching 30k breaking or even the 40k breaking, things are not looking good. Okay, so keep this in mind. We are gonna be also watching what is the scenario for Bitcoin right now. So as far as you see, if I'm gonna pull those fib levels, okay, from the swing low to the swing high, you are watching technically that we have been holding the 0.382. This is a major level to watch right here because it also rhymes with this support line that comes down from the previous all-time high. So I would like to watch this playing out. I would like this to watch this supporting in every case, because if this is going to retrace all the way down, this is not gonna look so good for the Bitcoin price. So what I want to see also is the fact that this kind of huge week that we have seen this getting uncovered, this is one of the first times that this stays, as far as we know right now, uncovered. We should see this one getting covered. At least the 2/3 of this should be covered. So don't get impressed if we are gonna have another week going all the way down to the 43,500. Guys, it's also a fact that this happened on a Saturday, so most likely whales don't leave this uncovered within the weekends. They wanna cover this in daily days. So what I'm saying, from Monday to Friday, any type of case, we can easily watch this getting covered very soon. So it's not something that's gonna surprise me in case this retraces again all the way down. What the 6 hour has to say: as far as you can see, we have some bullish divergence, very nice price action, a kind of double bottom scenario, but right here, not to cover all of this. What you should be cautious is this line right here, the cross line, that it can easily come all the way up to the 51,000. Again, I've mentioned this scenario. I said from down here that we can see 51.5 to 52k. I mentioned this on Twitter. You have to go and follow Twitter, guys, because we are sharing very nice content there as well. So you can also stay tuned in case we don't have time to make a video. Then you can get a very nice update in case something happens. And of course, the Discord group is also for free. It's not gonna be for free forever, but it's good, guys, if you are going to go subscribe as much as you have the time. So I've mentioned this, and then I said that a 44k level, yes, could be a scenario. This could come and retrace later on. And finally, as far as you see, okay, we have a kind of bear flag scenario playing right here. And if you take to adjust it like this with an AB equals CD, it takes you really low. So this is what technically happened. We broke all the way down, but there are a lot of support levels to watch. So be cautious. If this comes all the way up right here, I think we will see another type of retrace, break to the downside, okay? And this is not something that it's gonna surprise me, to be honest. We are gonna spend a period of time, guys, under this. I'm saying this all the time. We are gonna be spending a time under these kind of levels, okay? So this is what is stressing me, and I wouldn't like to see Christmas coming and we are under these levels. But what can we do right now? The situation is the fact that we broke this major support line, and that's why you saw this week breaking all the way down. And yeah, this is a sad fact. We were prepared. We also lost some money, but not something crazy. So what I'm saying is that yes, this was the major level, so I cut all my longs right here because I was hoping that this is going to retrace. Not insane bullish signals coming in, but I was hoping for this very nice bullish divergence to the downside. So those technically retraced to the downside, and this is what happened. And of course, when you are trading, you cannot be a god or something. You're just an observer of the market, and you should You should be cautious so you cut your losses at this kind of points, guys. So just take your failure and move on. Stay away from the market for a while. Stop doing this kind of revenge trading and kamikaze trade that can literally take all of your liquidity and everything you have. This is what happened right here, and the market took billions from people's hands, and this is what is happening. Most of the times people are not prepared for what is yet to come, and this is what happened. The market is a very bad judge, and it takes all of your money in any case. So you should be cautious. What we should see right here, of course, I'm holding this level that we could come to the approximately 44,446. Of course, a week or another type of scenario could also be a pleasure for the whales in case this breaks all the way down. But of course, you should be cautious, because the stop loss should be very tight right here. The stop loss can easily save your liquidity, guys, in case you are longing at this kind of level. So a consolidation in this area, as I've mentioned, is the most likely scenario right now. I wouldn't like this to break to the downside. If we break to the downside, things are not looking good, guys, because we had already an insane drop from the top. This is the approximately 41% retrace. This is technically very big at this point we are in. If you imagine that we just have had any insane pump, and of course 69 level coming in. 69 level is the top right now, the all-time high, and we haven't had any pi cycle cross or anything. So that's all, and what I expect for Bitcoin for the upcoming weeks. We are going to be also returning back, explaining to you guys what we are expecting for the Ethereum price in other videos. Don't forget that for you to attend this very nice giveaway, you should subscribe, guys, and you have to like and comment these videos. Thank you so much. We are gonna be talking further on for the Ethereum price, as well as I said to one of our next videos. And thank you so much for watching today's. See you in the next one. Bye bye.